It's a rainy afternoon. Rain is coming down very, very heavy. Got a water tank here. It's full until it's flowing over. The workers take a shower right here in the water coming out. A lot of water. Trench is all full. Trench for the fence. Full of water. What are we gonna do with this water? If a lot of rainfall, water gonna be coming towards here. Hopefully don't come up the deck. Come up the deck, then it will be going inside, which is no good.
You know more clear natural way, wouldn't be from. Wouldn't be from. This one is natural one.
Oh, yeah.
You see the land is original. You can't compare.
That's what the front yard looks like in the rain. We're on a little slope, so the water just running down through the yard and down the road. Just start putting up the fence. Didn't get a chance to dry it, and now a lot of rain, so hopefully don't damage anything. Another time when it's dry, I'll give you a video on the fence. Over and out.